Alright, we are here at the Hotel Montreale E in Orlando. Oh wow, and surprisingly it's still original. Call button's replaced though. New cab, new lantern. Original panel, but new buttons. 4. Here we are on 4. I was expecting a full mod, but nope, just new panel and, well, same panel, but new buttons and a new cab and a new lantern. Alright. Back down to 1. Big brother. Pretty nice. I'm impressed with the new cab. I wish the buttons were original, but hey, I take this any day over a full mod. Well, there it goes. Let's check the center elevator here. Look at this. The place has been totally renovated. It looks way nicer than it used to. Here's this elevator. Still on its original controller, but new cabs and new buttons. The lantern on this one doesn't work. 4. Or it does. See the third elevator and see if it got the same treatment. It probably did. Let's see, did it get modded? Yeah, it did. Yeah, I'm just gonna take the first elevator back down and leave, because now that they got cameras here, I don't want to get into any more trouble than I need to. Got pretty nice views of a little bit of some of the Universal hotels and the interstate from here. Alright, let's get out of here. all the GAL buttons are replaced with these new PTL buttons. So this is like a partial mod, but the controllers are original on all of them, so it's not the worst. Alright, you will end on one. This thing is so much nicer than it used to be. I like that indicator. General Oiltronic.